Next up, Roshan is in Plenty, 20 kilometres northeast of the Melbourne CBD. Here's a home making a bold statement with its facade. I can't wait to see inside.
I'm here in Plenty, Victoria, just north of Melbourne, visiting an absolutely stunning architectural masterpiece featuring the latest in energy efficiency and renewable energy technology. I can't wait to see how this home has achieved net zero. Renee, Vic, thank you so much for inviting me to your beautiful home. It is absolutely stunning. First impressions driving down your driveway and seeing a home in the corner was simply wow. Architecturally, stunning. Can you tell me a little bit about the facade and what led to those design choices?
To be honest, we got a lot of our inspiration from Pinterest and a lot of other builders and stuff who built in more your blue chip areas. Took a fair bit of inspiration from those guys and worked closely with our builder as well to be able to bring it to life.
I love the use of natural material, and once again, walking to the front of your home, all that concrete, timber, glass, metal, it looks amazing. I mean, really, it looks a combination of the most contemporary home I think I've ever seen and an eco-lodge.
We were going for that industrial, commercial kind of look. That's why the recycled bricks, the concrete everywhere throughout, the rendered look instead of a lot of painted walls, so a lot of glass. So I think we've nailed it with the way it's turned out, but you'd have to ask the boss.
And walking straight through, I'm just instantly taken by your lighting choices. Can you tell me a little bit about those?
Yeah, we saw them actually when we were driving past a shop, and they just stood out. And we thought our tall ceilings, we thought that'd be quite fitting, and they're just very different.
I mean, simply your electricity bill with a home of this size must have been horrendous.
Look, it started off probably a couple grand a quarter,
wow.
But now it's whittled down to about $400 a quarter after we install our solar system that pumps back to the grid.
I know you've got a 15 kilowatt solar system on the roof, so you're pumping out about 45 kilowatt hours of electricity, which is absolutely phenomenal. Can you tell me a little bit about your choice to use GoodWe as your preferred choice of solar technology?
We chose GoodWe partly because of the relationship with Six Star that the builder has as well.
Yes.
And been dealing with them for quite a while, and they were so great to deal with and just punctual and efficient, and really sat us down and gave us an educational spiel on it. So we're more than happy with going with them and the team.
And I can actually see you've included GoodWe's latest EV charger, which I absolutely love. It does look a little bit like a robot sat inside the wall, but a beautiful robot at that. Tell me a little bit about your choice to have an EV charger.
We thought it's important to have one with where the future's headed. Everything's becoming about energy efficiency, and cars are becoming electric and less reliant on your fuels. And we think it looks so compact and so futuristic, so definitely happy with that choice to put that in there. And we've actually got a Tesla ourselves that we charge up on it, so it comes in handy.
Guys, I love that circular staircase leading us to the upstairs of your home. Tell me a little bit more about that as a design choice.
For us, it's like a piece of artwork, to be honest, and it's the only thing in that space in between those openings and those windows, so it's a statement piece.
You've got such a beautiful outside area as well. I mean, the continuation of styling and design flows throughout here. Behind, I mean, the amount of glass you have on that wall is phenomenal. It looks incredible. Then you've continued the concrete, the natural materials. I mean, this must have been a huge statement piece for you, knowing that you'd want to spend as much time outside as possible and then looking at an architecturally beautiful home.
Yeah, we've tried to incorporate the curves from the front and bring it to the back. Same with the materials, the battens and things like that, and the cladding you find on the garage doors.
It looks absolutely amazing, and you've got a decent sized pool as well, and a spa.
Kids and mum love the pool, me not so much. I'd rather sit in the sauna or the steam room. I'm a bit nutty like that.
I love the fact that you actually created this beautiful outdoor space, amazing solar power system on that roof. I mean, guys, you've done such a fantastic job. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for showing me around today.
You're most
welcome.
welcome.